Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get to level 20 fast inside the Valorant. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and I will share some of the tips of how you can get quickly to the level 20. Now this is the basically website where a lot of people have asked the question, and there are some of the answers which you might find helpful as well. Now as you can see, you get 1000 AP every day for daily quest and 1 plus 1 AP per 6 seconds played in a match. So these are basically some points related to your level inside the game. If your account is below level 10, it's 4 plus 4 AP. Otherwise, it's if it is above level 10, so you will get basically 1 plus 1 per 6 seconds inside the match. Now you can get some bonus as well if you win the match, depending on 50 to 150. So make sure to play with your teammates, and if you have the right teammates, you win the match, so you will get bonus points for increasing your level inside the Valorant. Now make sure to do that as well. Now there's another thing. So the best way to level up an account to level 20 is play a game mode where you can have a high win rate. Now this is tip one. You must have a high win rate, and the second thing is with it being as short as possible. So it means that you need to win the match, but the time duration should be short, not that long that you are playing the whole day, or you can understand like what I mean. So make sure to keep it as short as possible and win the match. So this will basically be spike rush, you can say, or escalation, swift play, or deathmatch, or TDM, depending on the skill and preference. Like whatever you are expert at, you think that you can get the point, you can win the match, and whatever preference do you like, you want to play TDM or whatever you want to play, that is up to you. So these are some tips. So make sure to follow these tips, and after that you will be able to quickly level up your Valorant account to level 20.